Okay, 135, I wouldn't say there's a ton of support there. If this thing really fell out of bed, down around 127, 128, big support. 135 is kind of in no man's land. On the upside, there's not a heck of a lot at 154. Although, actually, I take that back. Take that back. If you look at right here and right here, so that area right there had been support, 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 all that support there. Once it broke through, that is going to be a line of resistance. That's around 153 area. So there's a ton of resistance at 153, and that's in addition to getting through the 200-day, which, you know, we look at 50 and 200-day moving averages very closely here, but looking at the 200-day right here, don't put a lot of stock in this one. Why is that? Normally we do, but don't put a lot of stock in that one.